everyone, if you're new here, my name is Jamie and I am going camping this weekend. I know, one look at me and you probably can tell I'm not like a super outdoorsy person, so this is really not on brand for me. I've been camping like once in my life, like the sleep in the tent kind of camping. So this would be the second, and I only really go with my family. I'm just going for the quality time, the good food, and because I will have FOMO if I don't go. So I'm gonna pack my things and get ready for that physically, emotionally, you know, all of that. But before I get on with my day, I'm gonna make myself a nice cup of coffee. I'm such a matcha girly, but with my caffeine, I don't discriminate, and I love a good cup of coffee. I used to live in Melbourne, so I am a little bit of a coffee snob. I can't wait to show you the drip bags that I've been using recently from Slow Flow Coffee. The coffee is small batch specialty coffee roasted right here in Perth. I love how convenient this drip coffee is because you really don't need any equipment. You can brew anywhere at home or at work. I keep one bag at my work desk in the office so I can always brew my coffee at work. This is what they look like. This morning I'm gonna have the Ethiopia Guji Alaka. This one is my favorite. It's a vibrant fruit-forward coffee. The tasting notes of this one are raspberry, mandarin, dark chocolate, stewed berries, and floral. I love that with drip coffee, the pour and drip process really forces you to actually slow down and just take a mindful pause in my day. And I find that this little ritual is very relaxing in the morning. Obviously, you can have it black like this, but I'm gonna have it today with some oat milk. I do want to say a big thank you to Slow Flow Coffee for sponsoring this portion of the video. I truly love partnering with small and local businesses, especially ones based right here in Perth. I think they would make a great Christmas present for your coffee lover friend. And I do have a special discount code. It's Jamie15 and I will link it in the description below. They also offer free shipping on orders of 2 or more items, which is amazing. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this cup of coffee and I'm gonna get packing so we can get on the road. We're at Dwellingup. We're staying at their chalet and caravan park. We are not going glamping, sadly. That is not our tent, but it's really nice weather and we're making army stew right now, so I'm really excited. This is the best part of camping for me. Now that we're back from camping and December is in a few days, I definitely want to start my December reset. I'm going to do this reset over a few days because I feel like I've got a lot of cleaning to do and I want to be putting up my Christmas decorations, and I'll definitely talk through my goals for December and see how I went in November. it's my birthday weekend, so I've got a lot of fun plans going on. Key and I both took the day off together, which was really nice to spend time together. And it's also Black Friday, so we braved the shopping center because I really wanted to get some Christmas shopping done. So I'm really happy because I definitely snagged some sales and I got my Secret Santa present for my family's Secret Santa, which is coming up. Our budget was $50, so let me show you what I got. Also, oh my gosh, behind me, this pink luggage is one of Key's birthday presents to me. I've been wanting like a baby pink luggage and I just feel like it's so me and I'm so excited about it. I was just like rolling it around the house. I'm just so excited for my next trip, and I also think this is a really perfect size. Anyway, if you're a member of my family, please stop watching now because I'm about to spoil the Secret Santa surprise. So I got my cousin Liz for Secret Santa, and I actually love shopping for Liz because I just feel like I have a good sense of what she likes. Liz is such a fan of truffle, and I got this truffle lovers trio, which I think is so cute. It has hot truffle sauce, truffle oil, and truffle ponzu sauce, and this set was 20% off at Myer, and so I had a little bit of budget remaining, so I got her a little country road tea towel. So I think it's such a cute little kitchen set. And of course, while I was shopping, I couldn't help myself and I got a few Christmas things from Kmart. Okay, I got some bow napkins. They were just so cute. I just love how simple they are, but still very much Christmas themed. So I got this little couch cushion. Okay, how cute is this? He did some Black Friday shopping and he never shops, and he got himself a Garmin watch that he's been wanting for years. It was 50% off, and I'm just so happy he bought it because he like literally never buys anything for himself. So that was our Black Friday adventure. Definitely a success. It was actually not as crowded as I thought it'd be, so I'm really relieved about that. But anyway, I'm about to get ready now. I'm gonna get dressed into more of a nighttime outfit. Key is taking me out for dinner somewhere. It's a little surprise. I'm just about to head off. I'm having high tea with my mom. She's taking me to the West End for a little birthday treat. I absolutely crashed out figuring out my outfit. Just went with my pink like puffy sleeve dress. I think it's actually kind of cute for high tea. And now I've got to leave, otherwise we're going to be late.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you, something about you.
Carly?
It's not that. I feel like this got it better.
So before December kicks off, I'm going to go through the progress of my November goals, see how well I did. I'll go through that with you, and I'll set up my new goals for December in my habit and goal tracker. I love tracking my habits. I honestly think it's a game changer for me. I did listen to a Mel Robbins podcast recently that was all focused on habits, and they did talk about the importance of tracking your habits. So that definitely made me feel so validated about my little system. So turning to my November goals, I feel like out of all the habits, I did the best in terms of meditating and reading my book. So turning to my personal goals, I unfortunately didn't read one book. I definitely read a few books that I ended up not finishing, which is always so disappointing. Now, I had a goal of drive 6 times this month, and I definitely drove more than that. I drove like 9 times this month, which is great. So I'm happy with that. Turning to my wellness goals, I had exercise or gym 2 to 3 times a week, which I did. Unfortunately, I didn't do the yoga night at home with Key. I feel like that's going to have to carry over into December because I can't believe we didn't do it in the whole month of November. Okay, now turning to my financial goals, I wanted to hit my investments goal and my holiday fund goal, which I did. I am currently saving up for Japan and Korea, which I'm so excited about. Moving on to my content creation goals, I feel like I had a big month and I had several goals. I wanted to finalize a jewelry reel. So this was my collab with Seychelles Collective. You might have seen my reel on Instagram where they created a custom necklace for me with Key's handwriting on it, which was so special. I also finalized the desserts cafe reel. This was my little collab with a Vietnamese dessert cafe based in Morley at the Coventry Markets. I uploaded a new Perth food Rex video, and I feel like there are so many views and not many comments, and low-key that's been making me so sad. It's making me feel like, oh my God, do I keep doing these food recommendations? Because usually I get a lot of engagement. I get people recommending restaurants and cafes and stuff in the comments, but it's just not hitting the same in the comments, sadly. So I don't know. I'm glad I achieved that, but I guess the engagement was not what I was hoping for. I wanted to lock in a coffee collab. I had been chatting to Slow Flow Coffee for a while because I was testing out their coffee for ages. So I locked in the coffee collab, which I'm so happy about. I have also locked in a beauty collab. If you watched my November reset video, I was talking about like a dream collab coming up, and I have locked it in. The contract has been signed. I'll be filming it in January, so keep an eye out for that one. I'm so excited. I love the fresh December sheet. These are basically the same habits that I had since last month. I feel like it works better for me when I focus on a small number of habits and I don't overwhelm myself. Turning to my monthly goals, let's start with the personal goals. Let's do read one times book. I want to do a big new year reset. I feel like that's mainly going to be focused on like wardrobe and decluttering and all of that, but that's an important one for me. I want to drive, let's do again 6 times this month. I've always been saying that I want to learn sewing from my dad because he has become amazing at sewing. Like, he and I got him a sewing machine for either Father's Day or his birthday, and he has been loving it and he's creating amazing things. And I always say that I want to learn from him, but I just have been really short of time. So I think during the shutdown, I should make it a goal to like have at least one little sewing class. I like how I'm including it as one of my goals and I haven't even talked to my dad about it. Moving on to wellness goals. We're gonna do the yoga session at home, more regular walks. I feel like my step count hasn't been great and I feel like I just really need to take advantage of this warmer weather. Financial goals, I know I'm gonna hit my investment goal and hit my holiday goal. I want to do a reset vlog for the new year. I feel like personally I really enjoy watching reset videos and I love the new year energy, so I really want to do that. I'm thinking about doing a budget reset video. I usually do one. Let me know if that's something you'd like to see and I'll definitely film one. I'm going to do a Perth food type Instagram post. I'm going to add one more content creation goal and it's to vlog regularly in December. I feel, again, because there's so much coming up, I think it will be really nice to vlog all the December fun stuff to look back on. I feel so accomplished just setting up my December habits and goals. So the last thing that I have on my December reset list is for me and Key to put up our Christmas tree. It's honestly about time, and I feel like once the tree is up, then we're truly kicking off the festive season.